Hey everybody, this is Joe with Larger Than Life Adventures. Probably should have started this video yesterday, but I got a little bit of wild hair and started my roof rack winter project. I'm actually gonna be doing some upgrades, rebuilding it, tweaking it, fix a few things, add some lights to it. I'm gonna put some graded metal along on the sides and up on top. I've already removed the side awning, my jerry cans, and my storage box, which will probably be coming off permanently. Still not sure what I'm going to do about my jerry cans, what I'm going to go with that. But we'll see how this goes, and I'll keep you guys updated. Hey everybody, welcome back to Larger Than Life Adventures. Me on my roof rack project here. So I'm going to use this metal grating. I'm going to put it on the back side here, and so I can put more weight on it. I don't know if I'm going to put my jerry cans, maybe my spare tire up there. I'm going to put sheeting on both sides to get more weight up there, and I'll be mounting it. And right now I'm just painting it and getting ready to mount. I got another side to do, and we'll see how it comes out. So a little update on the roof rack rebuild. Got the first side of grading done, all mounted up, painted, not looking too bad. I'm relocating the awning brackets farther back, so it's been a little bit of a process, but that's where we are at today. So everybody, update on my roof rack upgrades. So here's the grading. I think it came out pretty well. Give me some extra support up here. I don't know if I'm gonna put my jerry cans back up here or not. We'll wait and see on that. And then we're gonna do the same grading along all the edges, and I'm gonna put spotlights in the sides there and put my side awning back on, and maybe some other upgrades. We'll wait and see. Hey everybody, so we are back to the next step of the roof rack upgrade. There's the side grading panels I cut down and already started painting. As you can see, I've done the two, and it's going to be the other side. I'm also going to put notches in these and put side pod lights when it gets mounted up top, and we'll see how this comes out after you get painted, and then be mounting them later. So we are back on the roof rack build. So I got the side panels all done and mounted. I was going to use some pod lights that I had and mount on the sides, but I think I'm going to go with a flush mount. So I'm going to have to get those ordered as soon as I find the ones I want, and then I still got to do the other side, and we'll see how it comes out. I think it's looking pretty good right now. Okay everybody, I'm doing my first product reveal here. I bought the Nightlight LED work light. They're going to go on the side of my roof rack. I finally decided on some lights to get. Got a great deal on Amazon. They were only 16 bucks. They're flush mounted LED pod lights. They're a pretty damn good deal. They should do the job just perfectly. We'll open up here, see what we got. Ooh, they're saying thank you. Nice. So we got the seals. Let's see what we got here. Open them out of here. And then all the screws and stuff. Plastic cover on it. Actually look pretty darn nice. I'm really impressed. I've already got other Nightlight products on my rig, and they work great. They've always been really impressive and a great price for the deal. So this one's we're going to use, and put them on. The roof rack is almost done, about 80%. I got 2 more panels to do. I have to remove my high left jack, and then cut out and then install the 2 panels I got left, and then install these bad boys. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, everybody, here is pretty much the finished product of putting the graded metal on the side of the roof rack. I didn't put some there because that prevents the high lift jack from sitting flush, so I didn't put any there. Otherwise, you know, pretty good. Final step is going to be mounting the flush mounted pod lights on each side, and this product should be done for now. Tell me what you guys think. Okay, everybody, this is the final installment of this video for my roof rack upgrade. So you got the panels there, the panels underneath. Got our high lift back on. I repainted it. Side panels up here. Now, I know I did a reveal on the side pod lights, flush mounted ones, but did some measuring, and on the other side, I wanted them to be somewhere in the middle, but on the other side with the side awning, it's 7 feet total, and this is almost 8, so it'd be situated right there. I mean, I'm still probably going to do it, but I want to put a little bit more thinking into it. So we are done for this part of the project. So tell me what everybody thinks on how it turned out. I think that turned out pretty cool. I like the grading, you know, the extra strength. I'm still going to put my jerry cans back up. Got a couple things I want to do with that, but we are going to call this project finished. Tell me what you guys think.